In RailClone 6, we added password protection to the styles editor for users that want to share their styles without fear of someone modifying or copying the graph. In this very short tutorial, we'll explain how this works. First, you'd select the object you want to protect with a password. Then open the style editor. Go up to the style menu and select Protect by Password. Then just enter a password and click OK. If you'd like to see the password as you type, select Show. Your style is now protected by the password. Close the style editor, and now anyone who wants to make changes to this style will need to enter the password first. If you've added a password in the past and you'd like to remove it, then just go up and select Protect by Password again, and then this time delete the existing password and leave the password field blank. Then click OK to confirm the removal of the password. And now if you reopen the style editor, you can see the password prompt no longer appears. And it's as easy as that. Password protecting styles in RailClone is an easy way to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to your work. Subscribe to our channel to get notifications for more RailClone 6 tutorials coming soon.